Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time we're going to do, like I always say, we're going to do something special. We're going to do, I think, a bit of a Siqueiros method, meaning that we're going to do a natural pouring without any medium in our acrylic except for water. I think it's nice, but I don't know what's going to happen. But this time we're going to do like we did last time. We're going to take a vinyl, you know, that can be a sticker, a vinyl sticker, and we're going to do like the silhouette of a tree. We're going to do first of all, we're going to do a pouring. You know, a bit like we did the last time with the silhouette of a face, of a woman's face. So I think it's going to be nice. We're going to do a silhouette of a tree, and we're going to do, like I said, a pouring with some maybe some white glue, something like that, just to do some cells. And when it's going to be dry, I'm going to put my sticker on it of a tree, and we're going to do another pouring over it, but this time, like I said, natural. So I don't know what's going to happen. So the best way to find out is to try it, so let's go and do it. Well, another one done. I have to tell you that it's not quite what I expected, even if the sticker, well, did almost the job perfectly, meaning that there's almost no acrylic that went under the our vinyl. So I think it looks nice. Next time I should do my my tree a little bit bigger. It's not, well, you know what? While I was doing it, I had another idea to do. about the same thing, but to reproduce the space feeling in space. So I think it would be a nice thing. So I don't have to tell you that it's going to be the next thing we're going to do. This time I'm not disappointed, but as you might have seen, I had to work a bit my acrylic because it wasn't, I don't know why, maybe because I didn't put enough black on it beforehand. Maybe that's why my other colors that I put over my black didn't work as well as it did on the last few times we did this method, this Siqueiros natural method without any adds in our acrylic. Anyway guys, I think it's nice. I think it's a nice piece, a bit all mixed up, but that's okay. To each his own, like we always say. So guys, I hope you enjoy, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. So hope to see you on the next video. Take care guys. Ciao.